Hello, this training video will show you how to use the Warehouse Facility Android app. Let's get started. First, we have to make sure that the tablet is on. If you quickly press the power button and the screen does not turn on, then you will have to turn the tablet on. To turn the tablet on, hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. The power button is located on the top side of the upper left of the tablet. Once we know that the tablet is on, we need to make sure that the tablet is unlocked. If the screen is off, quickly press the power button to turn it on. The lock screen should come up when you turn the screen on. To unlock the tablet, simply press on the screen and drag it to the right. Now we have to find the app icon in order to launch the app. First, let's make sure that we're on the home screen. To do that, press the button in the bottom left that looks like a house. Now that we're on the home screen, there should be an icon like the one shown here. If the icon is not on your home screen, click on the button in the top right that looks like a grid of squares. This will bring up a list of all the installed apps on the device. To navigate through this list, swipe left or right. When you have found the app icon, tap on it to launch the app. The first screen that will show up, which we will call the main screen, will look like so. This screen has buttons on it that will allow you to perform various tasks. The red button in the top right allows you to close the app. Before using any of the other buttons, make sure that you select the correct distribution facility from the drop-down list. To do that, tap on the box as shown and the list will appear. Scroll to the correct choice and tap on it. The first button is the barcode button. When you tap on it, it will bring up the barcode search screen. This screen allows you to find BOL information by scanning or typing in a barcode number. Tapping on the scan button will bring up the barcode scanner app. To scan a barcode, line up the tablet with the barcode so that the red line in the middle of the screen is lined up with the barcode. When the barcode has been scanned, the barcode scanner app will close and automatically fill out the input box on the barcode search screen. If you wish to type in a barcode, tap on the input box in the middle of the screen to bring up the on-screen keyboard. To close the keyboard, tap the button in the bottom left that looks like a V. When the barcode has been inputted, tap on the Submit button to retrieve the BOL information, or hit the white arrow button in the top right to go back to the main screen. This is the BOL info screen. In the BOL info box, it lists the BOL number, SBOL number, CPO number, origin facility, and destination facility. In the shipper info box, it lists the customer name, phone number if on file, street address, city, state, and zip code. In the consignee info box, it lists the consignee's name, phone number if on file, street address, city, state, and zip code. In the miscellaneous info box, it lists the days in warehouse, total number of pieces, and the piece number for the barcode. In the tag info box, it lists the tag color, lot number, and tag number. The special instructions box lists any special instructions for the BOL. The comments box shows the comments for the BOL. If there are a lot of comments, you will have to tap on the box and scroll in order to see all of them. This screen also has buttons to take photos, enter comments, and go back to the main screen. Tapping on the Take Photos button will bring up a screen similar to the one shown here. On this screen, you have an input box for the location of the item in the warehouse, an input box for inputting comments, a button to take photos, a Submit button, and a white arrow button to take you back to the BOL info screen. Before taking your pictures, make sure that you type in the location and any comments for the BOL. To take a picture, simply tap on the Take Photo button. It is important to note that the background image of this screen works the same as the screen on a camera. In other words, when you hit the Take Photo button, the image being displayed when you pressed it is the one that will be saved. If you wish to take additional photos, tap on the Take Photo button again for each additional photo. When you are finished taking photos, tap on the Submit button to send the information to the server. If you don't hit the Submit button, nothing will be sent to the server. Once the information has been sent, it will bring up the BOL info screen again. When you tap on the Enter Comments button, it will bring up a screen like this. To use this screen, first type in your comment into the input box in the middle of the screen. When you have entered your comments, hit the Submit button to send them to the server. Once the comments are sent, it will bring up the BOL info screen. The white arrow button in the top right will send you back to the BOL info screen without sending the comments to the server. The white arrow button in the top right of the BOL info screen will take you back to the main screen. Clicking on the tag button will bring up the tag search screen. The tag search screen allows you to find the BOL information of an item by inputting the tag number, lot number, and tag color. All you need to do is type in the tag number and lot number, and then select the correct tag color from the drop-down list. It might be easier to select the tag color if you close the on-screen keyboard by pressing the button in the bottom left that looks like a V. When you have finished inputting the information, hit the Submit button. If the BOL is found, it will bring up the BOL info screen. To go back to the main screen, hit the white arrow button in the top right of the screen. The search button will bring up the search screen. The search screen allows you to find a BOL by using the SBOL number, shipper name, shipper address, consignee name, or consignee address. We'll start with the SBOL search. First, make sure that SBOL is selected from the drop-down list on the left side of the screen. Then, type in the SBOL number in the input box on the right side of the screen. Finally, hit the Submit button. If you wish to go back to the main screen instead, hit the white arrow button in the top right of the screen. When you hit the Submit button, it should bring up the BOL info screen with the information for that BOL. If a list comes up instead, scroll through the list until you find the BOL you are looking for and tap on it to go to the BOL info screen. To do a search using the shipper name, tap on the input box on the left to bring up the drop-down list and then tap on shipper name. Then in the input box on the right, type in the shipper's name. When you have typed in the shipper's name, hit the Submit button. This will bring up a list of customers that match the name you searched for. If there is only one matching customer, the app will automatically select it and go to the next screen. You can scroll through this list by pressing down on it and flicking your finger up or down. When you have found the customer you are looking for, tap on the entry in the list. Once you have selected a customer, a list of BOLs for that customer will come up. If the list only has one BOL, the app will automatically select it and go to the BOL info screen. Navigating through this list is done in the same way as the customer list. When you have found the BOL you are looking for, tap on it to select it. This brings up the BOL info screen that we have previously discussed. The other search options, shipper address, consignee name, and consignee address, work exactly like the shipper name search. An important thing to note is that both the shipper address and consignee address searches use the street address only. For example, 1234 Easy Street. Putting in things like the city, state, or zip code will make the search not find any results. Now let's move on to the last button on the main screen, Lost and Found. Selecting the Lost and Found button will bring up a screen similar to the BOL Take Photos screen. In addition to the location and comments fields, there are also drop-down lists to describe the item in question. The product type describes the form of the item, like chair or sofa. The material describes what the item is made out of, like wood or leather. The color describes the color of the item, like brown or black. To make your choices, simply tap on the relevant input box to reveal the selection list, and then tap on your selection. Once you have filled out the relevant information, tap on the Take Photo button to save the picture. Like the BOL Take Photo screen, the image that is visible in the background of the screen will be captured when you press the Take Photo button. If you need to take another photo, simply tap on the Take Photo button again. When you have finished taking photos, hit the Submit button to send the information to the server. If you don't, nothing will be sent to the server. Once all of the information has been sent, it will bring you back to the main screen. That wraps up this video tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.